So sorry. Sorry I wasn't here for you. I just been busy with your mother. I just want to make sure that you're alright and are heading in the right space. Your mother is not a bad person, Oliver. It's just that she's been through a lot. And I can't give up on her because she never did give up on me when we were younger. I love your mother more than anything and my wife, I know that. Alright? Just like I love all I own a pitney more than anything in this world.
Jade, you're not finished? Are you still working on that assignment, Jade?
I want to finish it, but I can't finish it because they need my father's information.
Well, your grandfather don't like when I talk about your father.
Mom, you're not thinking me getting a little too old for you to be hiding the secret same way.
Why are you bothering her? Let her finish her work. I don't want her to end up like you, a single mom. Daddy, we finished cook the food, so it's ready for you. Warm to you. Daddy, you can't beat up yourself like this. I know you're in a pain because of what mommy do, but we always gotta feel at fault, Anthony. We treat her. You can't blame yourself for that. Alright? Mommy is sick already, so she never tell me how much pain she in. She never tell me nothing. Me just feel away because me coulda be there for her. But then all of this son with your brother and me don't know what we do. Me just feel like we just give up cause me miss her body, you know. Me just can't deal with this no more, Anthony. Me not the strength anymore to deal with this. You will get through, Daddy. No worry. You're strong, man. You just have to learn to forgive yourself. Alright? We'll get through this. No worry. Still asleep? God.
Anthony, come sit down here with me, please. I want to talk to you. Thanks so much for dealing with Oliver and everything.
I'll tell you about my son.
Anyway, son, we kind of feel our way about everything.
Remember, look a bit, we used to always promise each other, so we're always gonna be here for one another. When I break the promise there. I just want you to look into yourself and see where you're off.
I'm just tired, Anthony. I'm depressed. And I don't want to be here anymore. As in, I want to go back to Jamaica.
Really, you? I never think you don't want to go back a yard.
I know, I say all of that, but I just can't bother with yes no more. I always feel down.
Honestly, I feel the same way too. I mean, Junior older now, and he can't take care of himself. But sometimes I feel like for just head back home, you know?
God, we're on the same page about something. I was wondering if you could help me. Go back down. It won't be a lot. I didn't sell mommy house, and I just wanna relax and not think about everything. I just wanna be back to my old self.
We will help you, but you have to make a change, Octavia. Alright?
Yeah, I know, man.
So you're not even gonna say a word to me after you abandon me. I know you know what grandma do. I know you not even come home right away. You can't about your business. Youth, settle yourself and watch your chat, alright? At the end of the day, me your father. But you not act like my father. You not do what you're supposed to do. You know, say from you come to Canada, I realize say you act like say you're a big man. Listen to me. He's a grown man and you a grown man. What happened between me and my parents and none of your business? What you mean none of my business? You hear me say, you don't know the relationship between me and them. So you enough of yourself when I come and yell off for me, but what you don't know. You know the manners. Oh, so me enough a question why you gone for a week and nobody know where you there? Your mother dead and you not even, you don't even look sad, you don't even look like you care. You care, daddy? Eh? You care about what grandma do? Eh? Your business? Yeah man, just go and chop up your fruit. Junior, listen to me, youth. Come out of my face, you know. You know no sense. She, right? Octavia. She make you go answer. Me know she. So what? Eh? Are your problem or my problem? What me do in my life? And up to you? Oh, so you just love what you take it for an idiot. Or that. You know me, you know me tell you stuff, watch your mouth with me. You know, listen to me, little boy. You know how you fit deal with grandma, so. Oh, me fit deal with your grandmother, so. Mind, you know what me been through? You know them left me at Jamaica, me a little boy, not even come back for me. Have Andy act like some minute exist. At least them buy your house and put it in there. You act like you're homeless. You're just ungrateful. Me ungrateful? My youth, come out to my face. I don't even know what you chat about. Them deal with you one when them deal with me another way. So me know why me angry. You look a boy. Know your place. Hello? Who is this? What? My daughter?